morning, Group 52. In the book of Daniel is fasting and praying for 21 days. On day 1, God sends Angel Gabriel with his answer, but he shows up 21 days later and explains that he was held up by the evil prince over the area. Now listen to what God does. God does not step out of heaven and help Angel Gabriel. He sends another angel named Michael to assist him. Many of us have terrible problems in our life. And for most of our life, we've been told God is bigger than anything you're going through. And while that is true, we look up waiting for the sky to part and God to step out of heaven to answer our problems and to comfort us. But in doing so, it can cause us to ignore the answers that God has been sending to us continually. As you wait for the sky to part, you may miss the help standing right in front of you, the help right in your very own community. So thank you, Group 52. May you have eyes to see all that God has provided around you already, and have the best week of your life.